Right without negative power. The first one is this. Okay, we have a b to the power minus 2. So what we are trying to do is that remove the negative exponents, and the meaning of this is a times this minus is 1 over b2, and that will give us what? This one, a times 1, a over b squared. So that finished that one. Number 2, we have a, b, all exponent minus 2. Okay, you can see the ab being enclosed and is having power of minus 2. The meaning of this is a is affected by the power, as b also is also affected by what? By the power. So, and the meaning of this is this minus is 1 over a to the power 2. So we have removed the negative power for a. Then for the b, times 1 over b to the power 2. So 1 times 1, that's 1, and this times this, that's a squared. B squared. So that finished that one also. The third one, we have 2ab, and that b is to the power minus 1. So this will be equal to what? 2 to the power 2, a to the power 2, and then this one to the power what? To the power 2. And this will be equal to 4a squared. This is what? B minus 2, which is equal to what? 4a squared over b squared. The fourth one, which is the d, we have 5m n to the power minus 2. So this is equal to what? 5 then. Okay, so and this is equal to what? I've told us the meaning of minus exponent. That's 1 over 5 to the power 2 times this is what? M. This one times this one. That's what? That's 2 minus 2n. So this is equal to 1 over 25 times this minus here is 1 over m what? N to the power 2n. So the answer is also 1 over 25 n 2n. Okay? Then the E part. We have this question. So this implies 3 to the power 2. Then this will be what? Minus 2 times that 2. That's a minus 4, and then b squared. So that's that. So on the final note, this will be 9 times this minus is 1 over a to the power 4 times b squared. So this will be equal to what? 9 times 1 times this, that's 9b squared over what? Over a4. Okay? Next question. This minus 3 will affect each of the contents. So that will be what? 3 to the power minus 3, x to the power minus 3, and then 4 times this, that's y to the power minus 12. Okay? So this will be what? This will be minus is 1 over 3 to the power 3, that's 27, and this is what? Times 1 over x to the power 3 times 1 over y to the power 12. Okay? So the answer here is what? This is 1 over 1 times 1 times 1, 27 x cubed y 12, y to the power 12. Okay? G, we have 1 over this. Now we got to 1 over this minus there is 1 over what? B what? B to the power 3. So this is a fraction you have. And when you reciprocate a fraction, this 1 over is reciprocal of this fraction, and that will be equal to what? B what? B3. Okay? And if it's not clear, you can do it another way, or this 1 over, this is 1 divided by this line is division, and then 1 over what? B3. Okay, and that will be equal to what? 1. You change this division to multiplication, and then this will turn upside down. So that will be B3 over 1. And that's what B is that. Okay, but you don't need to do all this one. Since you have a fraction and you have 1 on top of it, what it means is that you are reciprocating that fraction. And that's that. Okay? Then the age, this question, this will be what? The numerator will be what? The numerator will be 1 over h power 2. Then this line is a division, and that will be what? 1 over b to power what? 3. And that will be equal to, can you change this division to multiplication? 1 over h to power 2 times what? Then once you change a division to multiplication, this will turn upside down. That will be b3 over 1. So my answer is what? b3 over a into b to power 3 over a to power 2. We have these following question, right, in non-fractional form. And we have those questions. For the first one, if you look at the question, you see that the question has a numerator and denominator, and that is the fraction. That's what we call the fraction. Okay, but we are told to transform, to convert this to non-fraction. So step 1 will be this one over this minus this over this minus this over this. So that's that's the first step in transforming to non-fractional form. So it will be this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So, and this will be equal to what? This will be equal to 5 to x minus 1. This will cancel, that will be 1, and this one will be what? Minus what? Minus x. Okay? So that's what, this is the non-fractional form. Okay? 2. The same thing you do, that will be this plus this minus this. So this will be equal to what? This will be equal to this one, 8x to power minus 1. This one we cancel, so we have 5 here. And this one we have minus what? Minus 2x squared. So we have transformed from fraction to non-fraction, to non-fraction. Okay? The c parts will be equal to 16 over this minus 3x over x squared plus x cubed over x squared. And that will give me 16 times x to the power minus 2, and then minus 3x, this is power 1, so 1 minus 2, that's minus 1 here, and then plus what? Plus s. Okay? Because this is power 3, this is power 2. Okay? So that's that. Then the d parts will be this one over this one, which you can do it straight away. That will be this one, 6x4 over x squared, then minus 3s squared over s squared plus s over x squared plus 6 over this one. So this will give us what? This is, they have the same base, this and this are the same. So 4 minus 2, that's 5x squared. Then minus this one we cancel, so minus 3. And this will be what? This will be 1 over plus 1 over this, and then plus 6 times x minus 2. X to power minus. The e, this over this minus 6x over this, then plus 10 over this. So that's the implications of that fraction. And then The bases are the same. You take one of the bases. This is the 3. This is division. So minus 2. And then here, minus 6. This one, this is our power 1. So that will be x1 minus 2. And 10. If this one go up, the minus will cancel. That will be 2. Okay, so you're having something like x to the power 0 here. Okay, so 0 minus 2. That's this. Okay, then the final conclusion will be minus, that's plus, and that will be x to the power 5 minus, that will be x to the power 3. Okay, and then plus what? 10x squared. So that's that, this question. There is an icon on this video. Okay, please click on it and subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe. Okay, and if you have subscribed, if you have already subscribed, please share the video and begin to send your comments. Okay, send your comments. Thank you. And finally, share the link of this video on your social media platform. Okay, let's broadcast this channel. Thank you for doing that.